Have you ever watched Rico Animations go viral and wondered how they make it look so smooth? What if I show you the easiest way to create it yourself with free images on your phone? Stay with me because I will walk you through step by step on how to animate Rico animation smoothly in FlipaClip. If you love animation, I post free tutorials every week, so make sure you follow this page and subscribe to this channel so that you don't miss out. Alright, let me show you how I made this animation. So the first thing is for you to go to your Play Store, download FlipaClip, then click on that plus icon to open a new project. Then the next thing is you have to name your project. Okay, so click on name your animation. So we are going to call it Rico flying mosquito. Then click on done. Then the next thing is for you to add your background image. So click on background, then click on this image icon. Then I'll head over to my Rico Cartoons app and download the images we are going to use. Okay, it's available on the app. So click on background so that you can add it into your project. You can see the Rico background designed with Rico Cartoons app. Then adjust the background, scale it, then mark it good. Okay, so that we can import it into the project. Then the next thing is for you to set up your canvas size, because this video is for YouTube. So I will set it to the first one, YouTube, then 80p, that is the 1920 by 10 1080p. Then go back. Then the next thing is for you to create a new click on create project. Let's get started. Okay, so now we are on the interface of FlipaClip. Then click on that three dots for you to add your character images. Okay, then click on add image. Okay, for you to add the image. Okay, then I have also downloaded the images from Rico Cartoons app. Then click on the first image. Okay, this image will be the frame 1. Okay, so I made this Rico character using a free app on my phone, and you can also get it too. If you want to get this app, I recommend you join my animation class. Okay, I will give you access to all the Rico characters, background and complete animation files for free. Plus, I will personally teach you how to animate and how to create your own characters and turn your animation skills into income. If you are serious about learning, okay, click the link in the description of this video to join my animation class, and I will help you to get started. Okay, or drop a comment saying I'm interested. I will send the app to you directly. Alright, moving on. So let us work on the timing, because timing is one of the principles of animation. So timing dictates how fast or how slow you want your animation to move. For example, now I will click on a clone last frame. I want this idle pose of this character to repeat 2 times. So that is timing. Okay, so you need to be adding timing in your animation. Then I will click on that plus icon. You see that I added 3 frames per second. You see that there are 3. So I added 3 frames per second. That is the timing I gave these animations. Okay, so that it will happen, like it will not happen automatic fast. It will happen, it will first of all start slowly, then it will start to animate. So this frame now I have to delete it. Okay, I have to delete it because I'm doing 2 frames. So I'll click on that 3 dot again. Then I'm going to add a new pose. So this pose I'm going to add now, it will be the anticipation pose. Okay, it will be the anticipation. I will also get the image from my Rico Cartoons app. So once you add the image, you see that the character is already preparing to fly. Okay, so I need to adjust the image so that it will also match, the previous frame. Okay, so just bend the character so that you know that as Mosquito is flying, you just need to bend it, and also rotate it as well so that it will look organic. Okay, so once you locate it, just make sure that the leg is already raised up. You see the design. So guys, all these things are very easy. You can easily create your own characters like this. Then if you finish, click on that plus icon. Okay, but then click on the lasso tool. Yes, so you are meant to add it 2 times, then delete it. Okay, delete this one because we already have it on the previous frame, right? So I'll click on delete. Then I'll be adding the actual flying pose. So you will see the actual flying pose now. That is what I'll be adding. And once I add this final image now, the next thing is for me to focus on the flying animation. So you see, so this image now is the actual flying pose. So I'm going to scale it down, and then, so guys, there are different things you need to organize. You know that for the flying you need to apply arc. Okay, arc is to rotate the mosquito in a circular form, because that is how animation work. Your animation is supposed to rotate in a circular form. Okay, I'll add the next frame. Then this next frame I'll continue to adjust the position of this character. So if I add a new frame, I'll adjust it. Then I'll be adding what is known as ease in and ease out. So when the character started the movement, I will be doing ease in. I'll be adding it small. But then as the movement progresses, I will then increase the distance. Okay, that is easing out. Okay, so always take note. You can also apply ease in and ease out to flying bird, and also rotate it in an arc. You see the way I rotate the bird to follow an arc? That is also part of the principles of animation, not just in a straight line. No, you know, mosquito, they move randomly, so you need to be applying that arc movement, so that at some point it will bend like this, at the other point it will also bend like this. So this makes your animation feel more realistic and alive. So when you make it to move straight, is if you are animating a plane, that one can move straight, but mosquito cannot move in straight. Mosquito. Before we continue, I just want to say my mission is to help you grow your animation skills from beginner to professional level. I drop new tutorials every week, so please help me subscribe to this channel, like this video, and share it with someone that want to learn animation too. Thank you so much. Let's keep going. Butterfly, all those flying insects, they are not moving in a straight line. No, they move in an arc pattern, circular pattern. So they are not constantly moving straight. Okay, so take note. It is very important, so that your animation, the flying motion, will not look like a robotic something. So always add all those details in it to make your animation look smooth. As you can see in this animation tutorial, we are not just learning ordinary animation, we are learning the core animation principles that professionals use. So we focus on the principles of animation, and then your animation will improve faster. Okay, so always focus on your animation principles. Okay, so gradually the mosquito is leaving the screen, and we are doing that in a new frame. If we add a new frame, we add that a slight movement of it moving out. So that is animation for you. So until the character is totally off the screen, then we are going to stop adding frames. So each frame you add a new just keep on making the character to move out of the screen. Okay, and also take note, don't do squash and stretch. No, don't do squash and stretch in this particular animation. No, so your job is to just that arc to rotate the butterfly in a circular pattern, then also do your timing properly. Every frame add a new motion, every frame adjust the character to move in a circular path. That is how you achieve butterfly or mosquito animation. So guys, so the next frame we are going to add now, we are going to that will be the end frame, because the mosquito is off the screen. So we are done. So let us preview the animation and see. So if you have music, you can also add your music. Okay, so let us preview the video and see. You see, so guys, let me just export the video. I will not add an audio, so click on that red dot. Let us export the video. Then you need to click on make movie. Okay, so click on make movie so that you can export this animation that we created. So you can see that my FlipaClip is a premium version. They are not showing watermark. So if you want to get this app, comment I'm interested. I'll send this app to you. Drop a comment. Okay, so click on make movie. So the video is already exporting. Okay, so now it is almost done exporting. So now you can play your video and share it on your social media platform. Okay, so let's play the video now and see. You just saw the animation we created, and you can see Animation is actually very easy when you follow the right step. Okay, there are simple ways to create smooth cartoon animation video faster, and if you want to start making viral animation just like Rico Animations, I'm personally inviting you to join my 2D and Rico Animation class. Inside the class, you will get access to the animation apps and software for free, including the Rico Cartoons app, FlipaClip Premium and Moho Pro. I also coach you on one-on-one mentorship, guiding you step by step until you become really good at animation. Okay, you also learn how to create your own characters, rig them for easy movement, animate professionally using your phone or laptop, even how to monetize your animation skills. I also connect my students to real animation job opportunities. Okay, so if you are ready to take this seriously, use the link in the description of this video to join my WhatsApp channel and then message me from there to get started. Also, if you want to support me and get access to all my animation assets, characters, background and project file, join my Patreon membership. Everything is organized there for you to download and start creating immediately. If this video is helpful to you, please like this video, subscribe to this channel and share it with someone who wants to learn animation. I post new tutorial every week. Quick question: what animation tutorial do you want me to teach next? Drop it in the comment section. Okay, thank you for watching, and if you want to keep learning, I've created over 40 Rico animation tutorials for you. Check the playlist in the description of this video and watch the next video on this channel. Okay, I'll see you there.